Hey, this is Jeff, and we are here with USP Pro. In this video, we are going to create a form that registers users, submits posts, and sends an email, like a contact form. Let's go ahead and get started. Here we have USP Pro installed and activated. So we can click over to USP Forms and then click Add New to create a new form. And the first thing we want to do is give this form a title, and we will call it Contact Register and Submit Form. And again, this title is only seen by us here in the admin area. It is never displayed on the front end. So be descriptive when you name your forms. Now we publish. So we are now ready to go to build a new form. To build our form, we head over to Plugin Planet and we find the tutorial. Here is the USP Pro Contact, Submit, and Register tutorial. And we're just going to go ahead and follow along. Note that this tutorial shows only the minimum requirements for setting up this combo form. It is meant to give you a starting point, and you are encouraged to add additional fields and customize things however is desired. So here we have step 1. Add the minimum required fields. So we add these, copy and paste, and then we go to step 2, and that is to copy and paste these 3 hidden fields. And that's it. We have just created a form that does 3 things. It submits posts, registers users, and sends an email, like a contact form. So we click Update. And now let's take a closer look here at these fields and what they are doing. We have the name field, title, content, and email. And if we wanted to, instead of copying and pasting, we could use the quick tags here. For example, we can click on the email quick tag and type in email for the placeholder and label. We could add custom classes, add a maximum number of characters, required yes or no. However you would like to set that up is fine, and we can do that with each field, or we can just leave these fields at their default values. So go ahead and explore these quick tags, and for additional attributes that can be used, we can head over to Plugin Planet and check out the shortcodes reference. And here we have a list of all shortcodes and their attributes. So for example, the name shortcode, which displays the name field in the form, accepts these attributes here. Likewise, the URL field accepts these attributes, title accepts these attributes, and so forth. So some of these fields accept a lot more attributes than are available when you click on the quick tag. So make sure to explore that for more options. For now, we're just going to go ahead and use the default values for these 4 fields. And then here is the key to making a combo form, are these hidden fields here. And let's look at each one. This first one is a contact form. It says USP is contact. That is the value of this hidden field. So this field tells the plugin that this form is a contact form. And this field has a value of USP is post submit, which tells USP that this form also is a post submit form, and it also has a field here with a value of USP is register. So the form also will be treated as a user registration form. So with these 3 hidden fields in place and our default fields, we click Update, and we are done. We can now test the form to see how it works. And to do so, we go to USP Forms, copy the form shortcode, and we can use this shortcode because the form is published and not in draft status. So we publish the form, copy the shortcode, and now we can include the form on any post or page, so we will do so and click Update. And now we can view the page on the front end. And here we see our combo form that does three things. A couple things to point out. The name field is auto-populated because I am logged in. And likewise, the email address field is pre-filled or pre-populated because I am logged in. So if we want to test this form, we either need to log out and then refresh the form, or we can just use a different browser where we are not logged in. So let's go ahead and do that. We copy the URL. Here is Firefox, so we can paste the URL into the address bar to visit the form. And we are not logged in now, so the name and email address field, they are not pre-filled because WordPress does not know who we are. So let's go ahead and try to submit a test post, which also will register the user and send an email. And then we'll call this test post and enter an email address, email@example.com, and some post content here. Now we have filled in our form and we are ready to give it a try here by clicking Submit Post. And it looks like the post was submitted, registration is successful, and email is sent. So all three things happened. Our combo form appears to have worked. Let's go back to Chrome. And here we have our page that displays the form. First, let's check the post. And here is our submitted post and our post content. Let's also check the users. And here is our test user, which registered with the form, and the email address. And of course, an email also was sent because the form is a contact form. However, I do not have email set up on this machine, so you'll just have to trust me that the email also was sent. So that's pretty much it. We have our new form, and if we wanted to, we could customize these fields with attributes and add more fields as desired. And again, there is a complete shortcode reference here that we can use to get more attributes to further customize things. And that is pretty much it. We will get further into other things that can be done with forms in future videos. So thank you for watching and stay tuned for more.